In this video, we're going to subtract numbers, decimal numbers, up to tenths. So if we have a problem like this that says subtract 767.5 minus 355.7, and all of these require following some steps. So I gave a little bit more challenging set of numbers, so some bigger numbers, just to show you how easy it is. And this method will work for any large number or small number, any number. And it's really simple. So tip 1 or step 1, remember to line up the decimal points. So you might not be given this problem tabulated nicely like this. It might be in a word problem. So then you'd have to write it out this way to make sure that it's you can subtract it. So first thing you do is line up the decimals, okay? So the tenths will be lined up, the ones are lined up, the tens are lined up, and the hundreds are lined up. Okay, so the next step or tip, subtract like you would any whole number. So now that you've lined up the decimals, pretend they're not even there, and just subtract as if it were just a regular number. So now the next step is to remember to borrow if you need to. And you can review one of my videos on borrowing, subtracting with borrowing, in the links below. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that subtraction. So five minus 7. Okay, you can't take 7 away from 5. 5 is just not big enough. So you know you have to borrow from the number to the left. So let's do that. So if we borrow a 1 from the 7, it becomes a 6. And we add a 1 here that we borrowed. So this number becomes 15. And 15 minus 7 is 8. Then we just continue subtracting. 6 minus 5 is 1. 6 minus 5 is 1 again. 7 minus 3 is 4. And the final step to this is remember to write in the decimal. Okay, so very important step. Remember to write the decimal point in the answer, because otherwise this number is 4,118, which is incorrect. So we're really looking for 411.8, which is a completely different number, right? So don't forget to put in the decimal point in the answer at the end. And don't worry if you don't understand this right away. You can rewatch the video and consider downloading my ebook, and you could follow along there and take notes, and it would be very helpful to you if you did that.